Critical Machine Logistics, providing worldwide solutions for your international business equipment dismantling, removal, and installation projects. Multinational cooperating tech teams, contractors, suppliers, and international logistics, providing critical business machine removals, relocations, and installations anywhere in the world. Regional cooperating 24/7 team solutions, working in all 50 states, Canada, South America, Mexico, Europe, Asia, and remote areas throughout the world. One critical piece, or your complete manufacturing and production lines, helping aerospace, automotive, energy, processing equipment, medical, laboratories, educational, governmental, military, and global industrial 5,000 clients with their precision equipment relocations throughout the world. We can help you too, with the safest and most cost-efficient solutions every step of the way. Precision, oversize, and heavyweight machinery and equipment export preparation and maximum protection. Electrical and mechanical deinstallations, high-performance certified full encasement export crating, and fortified steel container design and construction for maximum safeguards and safe arrival anywhere in the world, to be up and running without interruption to your production. Also providing assistance with import-export regulations and documentation in hundreds of countries. Critical Machine Logistics, your worldwide critical equipment removal, relocation, and installation resource.